get 3 takes with me because the one thing about it, I know what parts of those takes I could use to edit in. You know what I mean? So I got enough with 3 takes, as long as we get done it the whole, through the whole scene.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. So therefore, I tell people that you got to be well versed. You can't just go out there and think you can just do it. You got to learn your camera. If you're going to be a DP, you got to learn the camera. You got to learn your ISOs. You got to know your dual natives. You got to know your native. You got to know what lens you're going to use. You got to learn what shot and why you're using that shot. You know what I mean? Certain shots is for certain things. You dig what I'm saying? Dutch angles, over the shoulders, clean shots, your dirty shots, dolly shots, truck shots. You want to learn all those, and those different shots is for particular parts of your scene to translate into what they're saying.
Okay. Well, y'all just got a master class. So y'all look, listen, ladies and gentlemen, like I told you, bring your pen and your pad.
One thing,
Okay,
wait, one
please.
thing you will not do. You rarely see a tripod on my set unless you're just holding the camera. My camera is always on a dolly, a slider, a steady cam, or a shoulder rig. Tripods is for photography.
Okay.
I like sticks, but I hear you.
Okay.
I mean,
But I
if
also,
that's what you
it also
use, if that's
depends
what
on what you're shooting. It also depends on what you're shooting.
it all depends on. You'll never go to a bigger set and see a tripod. Now, right or wrong, Kima?
No, again, like I said, it depends on what you're shooting. And with that, it really depends on what you're shooting and how you're shooting.